You have access to free pictures in Microsoft Excel. It's called Clipart. To insert some Clipart, just come up here on the Insert tab, click on it, come to the Illustrations group and click on Clipart. Over to the right, it opens up a task pane with my most recent search here, business people. All you have to do is come in here, type in the text that you'd like to do search, businesses, business people, computers, then click the Go button and it will do an online search. If you don't want to do an online search because you don't have connection to the internet, then go ahead and click on the drop down arrow and uncheck Web Collections. And then you'll just go with your Office Collections or My Collections, which is not as much clipart that came with your Office program that will be installed on your computer. So you want to check the web. Click off in a blank area. Now there's different media types. Clipart is more cartoony. You also have access to photographs as well here. When you click on the drop down arrow, you can go with Clipart. You can also do movies and sounds or all media types. Let me click Go, and then I get some Clipart here. Go ahead and click on the one that you like, and it automatically adds it for you. You can also hover over this and right-click, and you also have Insert, Copy, Delete from your clip organizer, but right now all you want to do is really insert it. And like I say, if I don't want the cartoony effects, then just go ahead and change my media types back to photographs, click Go, and then I can come down here, click on one of the pictures to add it. It's going to be huge. I'm going to click and drag it and bring it over here. And then up on the Formatting tab, come to the Size group, and instead of 14 inches by 17, the height and the width, I'll come up here and type in 5 and hit Enter on the keyboard, and it shrinks it up just a little bit. And then I can, of course, use my cropping tools to crop in the picture just to get the perfect picture that I want. Don't need the fuzzy guy here or somebody whose face is cut in half, but if it works, I'll stay with it. You also have your picture styles when you hover over that to give it a nice little reflective look, or something a little bit fuzzy or faded. Click on that. Click off in a blank area. Like I said, if you want to learn a little bit more about how to deal with pictures, to crop them, to create borders around them and so forth, you want to watch the other training videos on PowerPoint and in Microsoft Word. Those programs are a little bit more visual, as I don't want to spend too much time here again in Excel going into detail too much about the presentation, because most of Excel is just dealing with numbers. But again, it's enough to get you started and know that you can do this. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, as soon as I upload a new video, you'll be notified instantly, and you can do that by coming over here and clicking on my face. You can also click here to support me, so for $2 a month, you can have access to over 2,700 training videos, all ad-free, and for a few bucks more, you can have access to my exercises, instructor notes, quizzes, certificate of completion, and a whole lot more.